Okay, so it is d square square plus 4 square, that is a square plus b square. What is the formula? A square plus b square?
A plus b bracket square minus twice ab.
Correct, minus 2ab. So we are applying it here. That means it is d square a plus b 4, d square plus 4 bracket square minus 2 ab d square into 4 is equal to 0. That is what? D square plus 4 square minus 8d square equal to 0. Right?
Yes.
Are you getting? A
Yes,
square
ma'am.
plus b square. So we are using this formula. So it is this, and this is now we can convert into a square minus b square. So what is this square? Root 8d चा square. Correct आहे का बघा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now it is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b equal to 0. So we get the two equations, d square plus root 8d plus 4 equal to 0 and d square minus root 8d plus 4 equal to 0. Now your a is 1, b is root 8, c is 4, and find out d, please. Tell me. Tell me value fast.
Minus 1.41 plus minus 1.41i.
Very good. And same here, we get 1.41 plus minus 1.41i, I guess.
Yes.
Yes. So everyone is able to write YC now. No need that I will write. Okay. You can write. Both these things are imaginary and different. Correct. Separately we'll write for that. And for YP, YP is 1 upon d raised to 4 plus 16 into chi question cos 2x into cos x. Next is what? How will you solve this?
By using formula.
Yes, but the formula we need 2. So multiply and divide by 2. Right? So 1 by 2, 1 upon d raised to 4 plus 16, 2 cos a cos b. What is that formula? 2 cos a cos b? Cos
A plus b.
cos a plus b plus cos
A minus
a minus b. 2x minus x. X. Now we can separate. 4 plus 16 cos 3x plus 4 plus 16 cos x. Now you can solve further. Can you?
Yes.
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 Do I need to solve? No, no.
No, ma'am.
Everyone knows this is cos case and we need d square. Yes, you can obtain. Replace d square by minus 9 here, minus 1. And you will get your answer. Nothing will be 0. Okay, we'll do that. Chalo. So it is 1 upon, it is d square into d square means minus 9 into minus 9 plus 16 cos 3x. Plus here it is d square into d square minus 1 into minus 1 plus 16 cos x. How much is this? 81 plus 16.
97.
Yes, cos 3x. And this one is
17.
17 cos x. Done. Just multiply by that 2 inside. Then write yc and yp together for the solution. Clear, beta? Those who have doubt, they are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Is there any other doubt? Please ask. Chalo, then we go to the next case. Enough examples have been taken on case number 4, right? Polynomial. Because there was a gap of 2-3 days. I don't remember. Case 4 is, हा बोल ना बा. Case 4 झाली आहे आणि त्याच्यावरचे इनफ एक्झाम्पल झालेत. अंडरस्टूड की एखादं घेऊ?
Yes, ma'am.
ह्याची गरज आहे का नाही ना?
No, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Then we go to case number 5. Case 5 of what? But every time I'm asking you. Case 5 of
Shortcut method.
shortcut methods. To find what?
YP.
YP. Shortcut methods to find YP. That's case number 5 next. If your function f of x is e raised to ax into v. How is the function? If the function is e into v, where v is any function of x. It can be any function, but it should be multiplied with e raised to x. Can you compare here? We have first case where it is just e raised to ax, only e raised to ax. That is the case 1. But if it is multiplied by some other function, then it is case number 5. Okay, so the case says yp is 1 upon 5d into f of x. F of x is e raised to ax into v. Okay, pay attention. केस काय म्हणतीये, जेव्हा तुमचा e raised to ax आणि v together असेल multiplication मध्ये, can we separate this into this, into this, into this? Can we do that? 1 upon 5d into this, into 1 upon 5d into this. Can we do this?
No.
No. In multiplication, we cannot separate. So this is not the case. The case is this e raised to ax comes out of the whole thing. Its job will be over. But while coming out, it makes some changes, and the changes is that power of e will be added to d in the denominator everywhere, and it will operate on remaining v only. E is out. E comes out, e's power a will be added to d everywhere, that is d becomes d plus a, and that will be operating on v only. This role is over, it continues as it is. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. E बाहेर पडेल as it is. ह्या फंक्शन मधून त्याचा रोल बाहेर पडला की पूर्ण संपेल, हे as it is कंटिन्यू होईल. आणि याचा जो काही पॉवर आहे ई चा, काय पॉवर, दॅट इज विथ एक्स ए आहे, तो ए डी ला ऍड होईल एव्हरीवेअर wherever it is d in the denominator, and that will be operating on v. ते फक्त v वर ऑपरेट होईल. आणि मग हे 0 नको, हे माहिती आपल्याला, दिस शुड नॉट बी 0. इफ इट इज 0, मग काय?
Multiply by x and derivative
Yes,
denominator.
correct. That is known. आता हे आपण लिहिणार नाहीये, तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. So it is as it is. So we go to example directly. Solve. D square minus 2d plus 1 y is equal to x square e raised to 3x. Okay, how is the question? 5d y is equal to f of x. Type 2. So its general solution is y is equal to
YC plus YP.
correct, yc plus yp. Okay, to find yc, you have to consider what?
Auxiliary equation.
Yes, auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? I'm asking you because there was a gap, so just reminding you. So what is the auxiliary equation?
D square minus 2D plus 1 is equal to
Yes,
0.
correct. And then we find out roots. Take out your calculator, find the roots and tell me please.
1, 1.
Correct. 1 and 1. Nature?
Real and repeated.
Correct. Real and repeated twice. So two constants get collected. How?
C1 plus C2x into e raised
Correct.
to x.
Very good. दोनदा रिपीट झाला, दोन कॉन्स्टंट्स असे लिहिले जातील लिनियर टर्म मध्ये, into e raised to root x. Root is 1. E raised to 1x. Right. Yc is done. Now we go to yp. Yp is 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 1 into, what is function?
x square e raised to 3x.
Yes, x square e raised to 3x. So I'll write it as e raised to 3x into x square. It's up to you. पहिला काय लिहायचे multiplication आहे, so we can do that. And this is now, the function is now, see the function properly. Is it only e raised to? No, as there is multiplication. If there is plus minus something, then we can separate these two. Then it will be which case? First case.
First case.
And this will be polynomial case, right? But if there is plus minus, but if it is not plus minus there and it is multiplication there, then it is a separate case where e is multiplying to any other function. That is case number 5. You can forget the case number, but case you should know. This is the case e raised to ax into v, right? ओळखायला आली सर्वांना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What the case is, you have to take that e out, e raised to 3x comes out, but at the same time, two things happens, right? Simultaneously, it is not just the one thing that e comes out. E comes out and at the same time, d becomes d plus e's power, that is 3. So everywhere is d is d plus 3. The remaining attributes as it is, square, cube, whatever. Minus 2, d is here, it also will be d plus 3 plus 1 on what?
X square.
Can I show you? E comes out, e's power is added to d everywhere and it will apply on v only. So it will apply in this case on
X square.
x square only, correct? E outside, याचा power d मध्ये add सगळीकडे आणि जे राहिलेलं v आहे त्या v वर तो apply होईल. E तर already बाहेर पडला. Okay, we have to simplify this. Now, this is what? This bracket is what? Which case? We will simplify this, but this function is which case?
A minus b bracket square.
Forget this, forget this. I'm asking about function x square. Which case is this?
Polynomial.
Yes, polynomial. कारण e चं काम संपलंय, हा फक्त कंटिन्यू होईल. आपल्याला हे सॉल्व करायचंय. याच्यावर हे आहे आणि हे काय आहे? Polynomial case आहे. Right. So we will simplify. d square plus 6d plus a square plus 2ab plus b square, 3 square, 9 minus 2d minus 2 into 3 minus 6 plus 1 on x square. So next e raised to 3x. What remained? d square 6d minus 2d plus 4d 9 plus 1 10 minus 6 4 on x square. हे एवढं राहिले denominator. This is the polynomial case. So what we will do next is we have to solve this polynomial case, case number 4. Yes, काय करतो त्यामध्ये सांगा बरं?
4 common.
Yes, the lowest degree term from the denominator we are taking common. What is the lowest degree term here? 4.
4.
4 is out. So there is 1 plus the remaining part as it is, d square plus 4d upon 4. Yes, on x square. Now this 4 is as it is here. So it is e raised to 3x by 4 and it goes up. Therefore, yp is equal to e raised to 3x upon 4 into 1 plus काय सांगा? d square plus 4d by 4.
Yeah, upon 4.
Yes. d square plus 4d by 4 वरती गेला म्हणजे inverse and this is on x square. Right. So which formula we are using?
1
1
plus x.
1 plus
Yes,
x.
correct. What is that formula? 1
1 minus x plus
x
x square.
plus x स्क्वेअर मायनस सो ऑन करायचं, कारण ते x स्क्वेअर आहे, स्क्वेअर पर्यंत आपण लिहिलं ऑन एक्स स्क्वेअर. याची पॉवर 2 आहे, याच्या पॉवर 2 पर्यंत लिहिले. आता आपला x लिहून टाकूया, डी स्क्वेअर प्लस 4d बाय 4. सेम. Okay, so e raised to 3x by 4, 1 minus, just open it, d square by 4, minus plus minus, 4 cancel, d plus by 2 square is 4, a plus b bracket square, d raised to 4 plus 2ab, 2 into 4, 8, d cube plus b square, 4d square, 16, d square, minus so on x square. Check once. Correct. So what will be cancelled?
d raised to
A raised to 4
4
and 8d cube.
Correct. These two terms get cancelled as x square up to d square survives and the remaining cancelled. All beyond that will be cancelled. So it is 1 minus d square by 4 plus 16 by 4, that is 4d square. Correct है ना?
हॅलो मॅम 16/16 येते.
हाँ, इथे 2 नाही आहे, इथे 4 आहे. d square plus 4d by 4 आहे. So 4 square it is 16. Sorry, 16 आहे. Yes. म्हणजे इथे काय राहील मग आता?
d square.
Yes. 16 by 16 d square, that is d square only. So on cancel होतील आता on x square. Yes, काय राहिले बघा बरं, सांगा आता. टर्म 1 minus d, 1 minus 1 by 4 किती येते?
3 by 4.
3 by 4 d square. Correct. On x square. Just open and solve. E raised to 3x by 4. 1 into x square minus d into x square. That is, I'm writing answer here. E raised to 3x by 4. X square minus, what is this? Derivative of x square?
2x.
2x. Correct. Plus 3 by 4 into double derivative of x square. Next
X.
derivative of this. 2. 3 by 2 it is. Yes, done. This is your YP. Add finally YC, YP for the solution. Therefore, Y is equal to, write that. Completed. Case 5 is just a single step case. म्हणजे कसं आहे, फक्त बाकी सगळं आपल्याला जे करायचंय ना, हे फक्त एका स्टेप मध्ये आपण इथे केस 5 अप्लाय करून टाकली आहे. काय ती केस? ई बाहेर येईल, ई बाहेर येईल आणि त्याचा पॉवर डी ला ऍड होईल आणि ते यावर अप्लाय होईल आणि यावर जे अप्लाय होतंय ते आपलं प्रिव्हियस नॉलेज आहे. म्हणजे केस 5 जस्ट अ सिंगल स्टेप प्रोसेस. बाकी सगळं मार्क्सच आपण पुढे करणार आहोत. ते कुठेतरी एखाद्या केसला रिड्यूस होईल. चलो पुढे सॉल्व. मागे डाऊट होता? e raised to 2x into sin x is the question. But आता तुम्हाला जेव्हा क्वेश्चन येईल ना, तेव्हा तुम्ही पहिली त्याची राईट हँड साइड बघून ठेवायची. फंक्शन काय आहे, काय आहे फंक्शन इकडे, म्हणजे ते कुठल्या शॉर्टकट मध्ये जाते हे ओळखून ठेवायचंय. 1 मध्ये जाईल की 2 मध्ये जाईल की 3 मध्ये जाईल, 4 मध्ये जाईल, हे कुठल्या केस मध्ये जाईल?
2.
5th.
कुठल्या केस मध्ये जाईल हे? चला नंबर विसरा, नंबर विसरा, नंबर विसरा. नाव सांगा केस, कुठल्या केस मध्ये जाईल?
A raised to x into v.
येस. आपल्याकडे पहिली जी केस आहे ना, तिला फक्त ई पाहिजे, तिच्या सोबत मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये दुसरं नको. किंवा जी साइन केस आहे ती फक्त साइन पाहिजे, मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये काही नको. मग हे ई रेस टू एक्स इंटू व्ही जी केस आहे ती आहे मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये. मग ह्या टाइप मध्ये आहे का हे? e raised to x into any other function? Yes. So याला आपल्याला फिफ्थ केस वापरावी लागेल. करेक्ट. मग आता रूट सांगा मला.
-1 -2.
-1 -2.
-1 -2, right. So yc is nature सांगा रूट्सचा.
Real and
Real and different, correct. So what is yc?
C1
C1
is minus plus
x
C2
plus
e raised to
2
minus 2x.
Even e raised to -1x plus c2 e raised to -2x, correct. Then yp, 1 upon d square plus 3d plus 2 into function on right hand side e raised to 2x into sin x. Yes, what is that case? 5. You already have decided, right? In your mind, this is case number 5. Everyone understands?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what the case 5 says that, or forget the number. What is this case says? E raised to x into v. E comes out. At the same time, काय होईल?
D plus 2.
Yes. Wherever it is d, it will be d plus 2. So 3 into d plus 2 plus 2. जिथे जिथे d होता तो मी d plus 2 केला. आणि हे जे आहे that will be on
Sin x.
correct. Very good. E's roll over out and then d plus 2 and applied on v only, v is sin x. We will simplify next. So it is d, tell me the square. D square
D square plus 4D plus 4.
plus 4, correct. Plus multiply this 3d plus 6 plus 2 on sin x. Okay. What is the term? 1 upon d square plus 7d plus how much? 12.
12.
4, 6, 2, 12. Yes. And where it is reduced now? आपल्याला हा ब्रॅकेट सॉल्व करायचा आहे. आता हा ब्रॅकेट काय आहे? कुठली केस आहे?
Second.
A square
Second.
replaced by -1.
येस, साइनची केस आहे. आणि काय आहे साइनची केस? डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये
D
d
square.
square. Yes, it is there. And yes, it is there. We have to find out a. What is a?
1.
1. Square it. 1.
1.
And
Minus.
negative sign. Very good. And replace d square by -1. Do that. Therefore, yp is equal to e raised to 2x. 1 upon d square is -1. पुढे काय आहे? 70 आहे का?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
11 आहे पुढे. Plus 11. 12 आहे. On
Sin
Sin
x.
x.
sin x. Yes. Just check once, correctly laka. Right. So it is equal to e raised to 2x, 1 upon 7d, 12 minus 1, 11 on sin x. E चं काम संपलेलं आहे. We have to continue like this only. Okay. And now once again d is there and it is sin, so we need d square there. What should we do? Very good.
Rationalization.
Very good. So just change the middle sign, multiply and divide by 7d minus 11 on sin x. Yes, so it is equal to this numerator as it is upon, what is the term? A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. What is that?
49
49d square minus
121.
11 square 121. Correct. Sin x. Yes, we got what we want, d square in the denominator, so that d square will be replaced by
-1.
yes, correct, -1. That is e raised to 2x 7d minus 11 upon 49 into -1. बाकी सगळं as it is, just d square is -1. What is this term? Please find. Minus 49 minus 121 is
Minus 170.
okay. So I'm
Minus
taking it out, minus 170. Then this into this minus this into this. 7d sin x minus 11 sin x. Okay, so it is e raised to 2x upon 170 minus sign. 7 into what is this? D means in the numerator?
Derivative.
Derivative. Yes, what is derivative of sin x?
Cos x.
Cos x. Perfect. Minus 11 sin x. Done. This is your YP. We finally लिहिता ते y is equal to शेवटचा answer yc plus yp ते लिहा is the general solution last ला. Should I go next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sure. Write the next question. Solve. D square minus 1 y is equal to cos hyperbolic x into cos x. First roots d is equal.
Plus minus I.
Yes, d is no. A is 1, B is 0, C is minus 1.
1 minus 1.
minus
Yes, 1 and minus 1. Check करा 1 minus 1 येत आहेत का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So C1 e raised to 1x plus C2 e raised to minus 1x. And YP next 1 upon d square minus 1 cos hyperbolic x into cos x. But how will you solve this? Can we do this? This into this into this into this. हे होईल?
No.
No.
नाही.
no.
Perfect. Multiplication we can't separate. Right. मग करायचं काय? Is there any such case of multiplication hyperbolic and trigonometric? No. If there are both cos ax, cos bx or cos hyperbolic, we can do something. कुठं करू ते? फॉर्म्युला 2 cos a cos b आठवतंय ना? तिकडे. पण आता इथे एक cos hyperbolic आहे आणि एक cos आहे. मग काय करणार? Think.
Cos hyperbolic x is equal to e raised to x
Very
plus
good.
e raised to minus x by 2.
Yes, e raised to x plus e raised to minus x by 2. हा फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय केल्याने काय मिळणार आहे तुम्हाला? e raised to x into cos आणि e raised to minus x into cos. Do you have such case? e raised to ax into v आहे ना? मग cos hyperbolic चा फॉर्म्युला टाका. e raised to x plus e raised to minus x by 2 into cos x. This multiplied to this multiplied to this, both are having upon 2, so that upon 2 I'm taking out as common. So 1 upon 2, 1 upon d square minus 1 into this e raised to x cos x plus this into this e raised to minus x cos x. Am I right? Yes. Can we now separate with addition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 1 upon d square minus 1 into this e raised to x cos x plus 1 upon d square minus 1 e raised to minus x cos x. Now this both we will solve by which case?
First.
No, not first. First is only e. There is nothing else multiplied to it. It
E
is
raised to x
cos.
only.
Fifth case, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, e raised to ax into v वाली केस आहे ना, इथे e सोबत cos आहे, इथे पण आहे मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये. मग 1/2 we will take out. Yp is 1/2 is out already, and here tell me the term please. I'll take it over. 1 upon
D square minus 1
hmm,
into e raised to x cos
Cos
x
x plus 1 upon d square minus 1.
e raised to minus x cos x, right?
Yes.
Yes. So we will apply case 5, you told me. So by case, that case, he comes out. And what will be d now?
D plus
D
1.
plus 1.
Yes, d plus 1 square as it is, minus 1 as it is on cos x. Plus here, what will come out?
E raised to
E raised to minus
minus 6.
And d will be?
D plus 1.
D minus 1.
D minus 1. E's a power will be added. E's power is minus 1. So minus 1 is added. So it is d minus 1 square minus 1 as it is on cos x. Right. So it is 1/2 e raised to x. We will just simplify this term. D square plus 2d plus 1 minus 1 as it is on cos x. Plus this into 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 1 minus 1 into cos x. This 2 get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1. Now, E's job is over and we have to solve this. This case is cos. And cos case says we need,
D square in denominator.
yes. Is it there?
Yes.
Yes. So that
Yes,
d
ma'am.
square is replaced by,
Minus 1.
very good.
Minus 1.
And here also
Minus 1.
minus 1, right? So 1/2 e raised to x, d square is minus 1 plus baki sab as it is. Same here, minus 1 remaining as it is on cos x. But yes, we have to solve this and it is just a term there and we have to solve for cos. So what do we do next? Waiting for your answer. Am I audible?
Rationalization.
Yes, rationalization. What is the term? Minus 1
Minus 2D.
minus 2d. Same here, minus 1 minus 2d on cos x. Similar, this side cos ahe, d square hava. There is d term only, so we have to rationalize. The term is just change the middle sign and multiply, divide. Do you remember आठवतंय का तुम्हाला?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right. So this is, it is 1/2 e raised to x minus 1 minus 2d as it is upon, what is this term? A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Minus 1's a square, 1. Minus 2d square, that is 4d square
D square.
on cos x, right? This is as it is, minus 1 plus 2d upon minus 1 square, 1, minus 2d square, 4d square on
Minus
cos
4D
x.
square.
Correct. And here again d square we got in the denominator and that d square will be replaced by,
Minus 1.
yes, in both the cases minus 1, right? Do that. So yp is equal to 1/2 e raised to x 1 minus 4 into d square is minus 1 1 plus 4d असंच आहे का? सांगा बरं जरा. -1 -2d. -1 -2d into सांगा रे काय ते
cos x.
cos x, correct. Plus here e raised to minus x. What's it?
2d
Minus 2d
-1 plus 2d
Minus
-1 plus 2d upon
into 6 upon 1 minus 4d square.
d square is -1 into cos x. बरोबर लिहिलं का? -1 plus 2d correct है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it is 1/2 e raised to x. How much is this? 1 plus 4. 5.
Five.
5 into -1 into cos x minus 2d into cos x. This get multiplied. Plus e raised to minus x upon how much is this?
5.
5. 5,
Five.
right. Minus 1 into cos x plus 2d into cos x. Just a little job is remained, that is taking the derivative. So take it. Yes. It is minus cos x minus 2 into derivative of cos x. What is derivative?
Minus sin x
Yes. So minus minus becomes
plus
plus 2 into derivative of cos minus sin. Plus e raised to minus x by 5 into minus cos x plus 2 into derivative of cos. What is derivative? Minus.
2 sin x.
Minus 2 sin x. Correct. Done. This is your yp. No need to simplify. It is okay. Therefore, y is right. Your yc and add your yp is the general solution. Are you getting the case 5? Case 5 is just a single step case. After case 5, you must have to apply any of the other cases. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Sure. Next question. Solve. D cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1y is equal to x e raised to x plus e raised to x. Can you just think over the right hand side function, this function? How is it? Under which case it comes? Think over it, tell me. Seen? Tell me now, which case?
We can take e raised to x common.
Yes, very good. You can take that e raised to x common. And then what it is?
X plus 1
X plus 1. And then which case is this?
polynomial function. And
Yes.
which
Before
case?
that, it is e raised to ax into v.
V.
Right? Just now we have seen this case. Or if we'll not take that e raised to x common, this two will get separate as there is addition. And this case is now current case, e raised to x into v.
Raised to x
And
into
this case is
v. First case.
first case, correct. So either you can do that, or yes, you are very correct. You can just take e raised to x common. So you can write it there on side. This becomes e raised to x, x plus 1. Okay, first roots. Got the roots?
1 1 1.
1, 1 and 1. 3 times?
Yes.
Is your calculation showing you 3 times?
No.
No.
One time.
Then how you decided to write 3 times?
Degree.
Degree
Is
3.
Yes, power is 3. If calculation is showing you 1, then you will repeat it thrice. Correct. So therefore, nature is
Real and repeated.
correct. 3 times. So how many constants will be collected?
3
3. Like,
2x.
tell me the answer.
C1 plus C2x plus C3x square. Bracket out e raised to x.
Correct. E raised to 1x. Very good. E raised to x. Then we go to IP next. Write down IP 1 upon d cube into function. I will write this or I'll write this. E raised to x into x plus 1. Can I write this?
Yes.
Yes, you only told me take e raised to x out. So we do that. Common. Okay, now this is the case e raised to ax into v, fifth case. What is that case? बोला काय करायचं?
E raised to x common.
हा e raised to x बाहेर काढायचा आणि
D plus
D
1.
write as a D plus 1.
yes, write d as d plus 1 everywhere. Wherever you can see, write d as d plus 1. Correct, correct, correct. Everywhere we should do that. And that will be applied on?
X plus
X
1.
plus 1.
Very good. X plus 1. Now you have to expand this. A plus b cube. What is the formula? A cube plus 3a square b d square plus 3ab square d plus b cube 1. Do you know the formula? A plus b cube?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then minus 3 into a plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square 1 plus 3d plus 3 minus 1 on x plus 1. So we'll see now what will remain. 1 upon d cube plus 3d square plus 3d plus 1 minus 3d square minus 3 into 2 minus 6d minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 3d plus 3 minus 1, that is plus 2 on x plus 1. Okay, so 3d square minus 3d square cancelled. What else cancelled? 3d plus 3d, 6d minus 6d cancelled. What else? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 3 also cancelled. So what remained only is d cube. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
So it is e raised to x into 1 upon d cube on x plus 1. But what is 1 upon d cube means?
D square into D.
Yes, but what it means?
integration.
Integration.
किती वेळा?
3 times.
Triple integration. As we know, 1 by d is integration, no? 1 by d square is double integration like this. 1 by d cube is triple integration. So we have to take these terms triple integration. So we will take the first integration and we'll let 2 as it is. First integration of this. What is the integration?
X square upon
X
2.
square by 2.
Yes. Plus integration 1 is
X.
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 एक इंटिग्रेशन झालं, एक डी कमी झाला. आता आणखी एक इंटिग्रेशन घेऊयात म्हणजे आणखी एक डी कमी होईल. हा, पुढचं इंटिग्रेशन
X
X cube upon
X cube by 3.
3 into 2 6
Six.
प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर बाय 2. नेक्स्ट आता हा पण डी संपून टाकूयात म्हणजे याचं इंटिग्रेशन घ्या. घ्या इंटिग्रेशन ह्या टर्मचं काय येते?
X raised to 4 upon
4 into 6
24.
24. Correct. Plus
X cube upon 6.
3 into 2, 6. Yes, done. This is your YP. Add for the solution YC and YP. Whatever is the answer, add it here. That will be the general solution. Any doubt? Should I go next then?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write down this question. Solve this and then I will give you some homeworks on this case. Solve d square minus 1 y is equal to x sine hyperbolic x. Just see the function on right hand side and identify the case. Okay, before that, go ahead with just the roots and write YC. We will see later. Tell me roots. Roots are
1 minus
correct. 1 minus 1. So YC is C1 e raised to 1x plus C2 e raised to minus 1x. Then YP is 1 upon d square minus 1 on x sine hyperbolic x. Right. Which case? Do you have seen such case? X into sine hyperbolic वगैरह काही पाहिले का? नाही.
No.
नाही. मग काय करू शकतो आपण?
Assign
Sin
Yes,
hyperbolic x by
correct.
b
You can use the
minus
formula. What is that formula?
E raised to x minus a
e
raised to x
raised to
upon 2.
x
E raised to minus x upon 2.
2.
Now this get multiplied means every term will have 2. That 2 will come out. 1 upon d square minus 1 x into e raised to x minus x into e raised to minus x. Am I right? Can we separate now?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, as there is negative in between. So 1 upon on e raised to x into x. I'll just swap the role. Minus 1 upon d square minus 1 e raised to minus x into x. Now which case?
E raised to x into v.
Correct. Both, right? In both the cases, it is the case. So what do we do here?
E raised to x common and
e
d right
raised to x
plus 1.
Yes, e raised to x out and d is
D plus 1.
d plus
very good. D plus 1 minus 1 as it is on to
X.
which yes, x. Now minus what will take out from this?
e raised to
E raised to minus.
Yes, and d will be
d minus 1.
correct. E's power is minus 1. So d minus 1 square. Minus 1 as it is on x. Yes. So this is done. This is done. We have to solve this part only. So go ahead with that. So it is e 1 by 2 into e raised to x. काय सांगताय पुढे 1 upon
D plus 1 bracket.
yes d plus 1 square घेऊन टाकूयात काय तो square d square plus 2d plus 1 minus 1 आहे ना पुढे
Yes, ma'am.
on x minus e raised to minus x d minus 1 square d square minus 2d plus 1 minus 1 on x. करेक्ट लिहिलं का बघा d minus 1 चा स्क्वेअर लिहिता d square minus 2d plus 1 minus 1 right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here plus 1 minus 1 cancelled, here also cancelled, and it is a polynomial case means what you will do here? for the polynomial case. For polynomial, we need 1 plus or 1 minus. For that, we take,
Lowest degree term outside.
yes. So what is the term?
2D.
2D. Yes, 2D out. So there is 1 plus d square upon 2d on x. Minus e raised to minus x upon. Similar polynomial
minus 2d.
minus 2d out. So 1 plus d square upon minus 2d
Minus 2d.
on x, right? So it is 1 by 2 e raised to x upon 2d. Let it here. Take this up, but before going up, 1d get cancelled. So it is 1 plus d by 2 inverse on x. This minus minus becomes plus e raised to minus x upon 2d. Once again here d get cancelled. This plus minus becomes minus and it is d by 2 inverse on x. Correct? Minus minus plus, this goes down, plus minus minus, 1d cancel, it goes up, so inverse. This is e raised to x by 2d as it is 1 plus x inverse. What is the formula?
1 minus x plus x square.
1 minus x plus its square. लिहू का square ची term?
No, ma'am.
No, so on x plus e raised to minus x upon 2d. 1 minus x inverse. 1
Plus x.
plus x square लिहायची का पुढची square ची term?
No.
नाही लिहायची कारण इथे x आहे. Very good. On x. So it is 1 by 2 e raised to x by 2d. 1 into x, x minus d by 2 into x. 1 by 2 into derivative of x काय येते?
1.
Yes. Plus e raised to minus x upon 2d. 1 into x, x plus d by 2 of x. What is that?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Derivative of x is 1. Right, it is not over. There are d's we can see. What is that 1 by d?
Integration.
Integration of this term. So what is that integration? Just write it. 1 by that 2 also you can take out. So 2 into 2 becomes 4. 1 by 4 e raised to x 1 upon d. Integration of this term.
X square by
X square.
Yes. Minus 1 by 2 into x.
1 by 2 into x.
Yes, so it is x by 2. This 2 is already out. So plus e raised to minus x and 1 by d means integration of this term. X square by 2 plus 1 by 2 into x. Done. Yp. Are you clear with fifth case now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Next, you can take that 2 also out if you want. You can simplify further if you want. If you don't want, just stop. Shall write some homeworks and solve them also, okay? Homework. Solve. Okay, these are your homework. Please solve them. Just a minute. Attendance. Don't leave. Yes, then. Thank you. You can leave. Thank you. Join your next session. Put your attendance in chat box and leave fast. Join your next session. Okay, I guess it is at 3, so you can join your next session at 3. Bye. 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 Bye.